Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best RV decals is probably one of the most effective ways to personalize your home on the road and make a statement wherever you roam. But with so many options available, choosing the right decals can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive into the world of RV decals, exploring different styles, materials, and application techniques to help you find the perfect match for your rig and your personality. Number 5. RV State Travel USA Map Vinyl Sticker. This map sticker is perfect for tracking your travels across the USA. It's designed to be durable and withstand various weather conditions, making it ideal for your RV adventures. The sticker is flat-packed, ensuring it's easy to apply without any hassle. It features long-lasting color and a strong adhesive, so you can be sure it will stay in place. This map isn't just for tracking, it's also great for scrapbooking and educational purposes. It's a fun way for kids and adults to remember their trips and learn about different states. You can use this decal both indoors and outdoors, on windows, doors, or walls. It's UV protected, rainproof, and weather resistant, ensuring it lasts through all your adventures. Looking for a unique gift? This travel tracker decal is perfect for anyone who loves road trips. It can be applied to various surfaces, such as car windshields or even your fridge. Whether you're camping or boondocking, this sticker is a great conversation starter. It's a premium vinyl decal with a strong adhesive, ready to commemorate your travels. The sticker adheres perfectly to most surfaces like glass, plastic, metal, and wood. It's packaged flat with a cardboard sheet to prevent any damage during shipping. What we like. This decal boasts durable, long-lasting color, perfect for withstanding the elements. It's also waterproof and UV protected, ensuring it stays vibrant on your RV. If you are a family who loves to document your travels and create lasting memories, this is the perfect addition to your RV. What people say. Brilliant colors and well designed. Not cluttered and nice to look at. Installed it in our RV. I like the graphics and that they stay stuck well. Just traveled across country, placing each state sticker in its place, easy to peel off and stick where it should stick, color quality stands out, image quality of each state is clear and perfect, not too thick, value at this price and worked great. Number 4. Camper RV Truck Side Bed Decal, Compass Logo. Looking for a way to personalize your RV? This decal is the perfect solution. It's a stylish way to show off your love for adventure. Made from durable black vinyl, it's designed to withstand the elements. This sticker is easy to apply and will last for years. Featuring a classic compass logo, it's a great way to show your adventurous spirit. It's a perfect addition to any RV or camper. This custom graphic adds a unique touch to your vehicle. It's a simple way to make your RV stand out from the crowd. Get ready to hit the road and explore. This decal is a reminder that adventure is always just around the corner, and it's a great way to start your journey. What we like. This decal features a stylish compass logo, perfect for the adventurous traveler. Its custom auto graphics add a unique touch to your RV. If you are looking to showcase your love for exploration and the open road, this decal is a must-have for your RV. What people say. Easy to install. Looks great on the camper. Follow the directions carefully. Wash the area to be applied and use tap to hold it in place as you remove the backing. Turned out exactly the way I wanted it to. Perfect size and my favorite design. Number 3. 3M RV Camper Mountain Scene Decal Graphic -930. Looking for a versatile graphic? This decal is perfect for your RV, car, boat, or camper. It's designed to enhance the look of your vehicle. This graphic measures 41 to 12 inches in length and 16 to 12 inches in height. It's the ideal size to make a statement without overwhelming the surface. The decal features a vibrant multicolor design. The colors are carefully selected to create an eye-catching visual appeal. Made from 3M Premium Outdoor Air Release Vinyl, this decal is built to last. It's durable and designed to withstand the elements. The air release technology ensures a bubble-free application. You'll find it easy to apply, giving you a professional finish. What we like. This decal showcases a stunning multicolor mountain scene, perfect for nature lovers. Made from 3M premium outdoor vinyl, it's built to last. If you are looking to add a touch of natural beauty to your RV, this decal is the ideal choice. What people say. My 2019 Forest River Surveyor came with a compass decal on the front cap. For some reason that decal faded and peeled away while the letters still looked okay. I decided to remove the old decal completely because it looked terrible. After I finished, you could still see a shiny area where the original decal used to be. I decided to cover it up with a new decal, and this one not only looks pretty but is the perfect size. Installation was easy and it really makes the front of my camper pop again. I installed this on the front of my camper 2+ years ago and it still looks great. It turned out fantastic and looks great. Number 2. Soaring Bald Eagle American Flag Decal RV Graphics. This decal features a majestic soaring bald eagle and the American flag. It's perfect for RVs and other vehicles, showcasing your patriotism. This decal is made of high-quality material. It's designed to withstand the elements and look great for years to come. The decal is built to last. It can handle harsh weather conditions, ensuring it remains vibrant and intact. You can apply this decal to various surfaces. It adheres strongly, making it a versatile choice for customization. This product is proudly designed and produced in the USA. You're supporting American craftsmanship with this purchase. The product comes with a 5-year outdoor warranty. It provides peace of mind, knowing that it's protected against defects. What we like. This decal features a majestic soaring bald eagle and American flag design. It's made of high-quality material, designed to withstand the outdoors for years. If you are looking to display your patriotism and love for the USA, this decal is perfect for your RV. What people say. Easy to install. I used the wet method with a heat gun. Looks great. Nice looking decal. It wasn't too bad to put on. We'll see how long it will last with the harsh winters we have in Maine. This decal has beautiful, bright colors. Perfect size for the back of my Winnebago. Number 1. RV Trailer Hauler Camper Decals Graphics Kits 24K13. This kit includes 26 graphics, designed for both the right and left sides of your RV. It's a great way to customize your vehicle and give it a fresh new look. The decals come in 3 stylish colors: black, charcoal gray, and steel blue. You can choose the one that best matches your RV's existing color scheme or create a striking contrast. The kit includes free application instructions to guide you through the process. Plus, a squeegee is provided to help you apply the decals smoothly and without bubbles. The measurements of the decals are detailed in the description. Be sure to check them to ensure they fit your RV perfectly. With this kit, you can easily upgrade the look of your RV. It's a simple yet effective way to add personality and style to your vehicle. What we like. This kit includes a comprehensive set of large decals and graphics, perfect for a full RV makeover. With 26 graphics for both sides, you can completely transform the look of your RV. If you are looking for a complete and stylish upgrade for your RV, this kit is the perfect solution. What people say. The decals were easy to apply and have held up well through various weather conditions. The design is visually appealing and adds a nice touch to the RV's exterior. The decals are made of durable material and have not faded or peeled. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.